The Redmi 14C, launched in 2024, stands out in the brand's lineup with its striking camera block design. This budget-friendly model features a large 6.88-inch display, a modern processor, and a robust battery. In this review, we'll take a closer look at what makes the Redmi 14C remarkable and how it handles everyday tasks. Design. The Redmi 14C showcases a sleek, contemporary design that aligns with the latest trends. With flat edges and rounded corners, it draws a clear resemblance to recent iPhone models. The phone is 8.22 millimeters thick and weighs up to 211 grams, though the weight varies slightly depending on the material used for the back panel. Despite this, the difference is minimal and hardly noticeable in daily use. It comes in 4 colors: black, green, purple, and blue. The back panel material differs based on the color option. Black and white models feature a glass back. The green variant sports a leather-textured finish, while the blue version has a plastic back. Each option is designed to offer a balance of aesthetics and practicality. The sky blue model is the lightest due to its plastic construction. On the right side, you'll find the volume rocker and power unlock button. The top houses the headphone jack, while the bottom includes the main speaker, USB Type-C port, and a microphone hole. The left side is home to the SIM card slot, which also accommodates a micro SD card for expanded storage. However, the standout feature of the Redmi 14C's design is the large, centrally placed camera block. This round module slightly protrudes from the back panel, giving the phone a distinctive look. It's divided into 4 equally spaced rings. 1 houses the LED flash, 2 contain the main and auxiliary cameras, and the 4th is purely decorative, showcasing technical details about the camera setup. In summary, the Redmi 14C offers a modern, eye-catching design with premium materials and thoughtful color variations that set it apart in the budget smartphone market. Display. The phone boasts the largest screen in its class, measuring an impressive 6.88 inches, an upgrade from its predecessor, the Redmi 13C, which had a 6.74-inch display. Despite the size increase, the resolution remains 1640 by 720 pixels. The device features an HD plus IPS panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate, though it does not sustain 120 Hz at all times. The screen has thick edges which give it a slightly dated look, resembling older models. It offers a standard brightness of 400 nits, but can reach up to 600 nits with high brightness mode, HBME, making it usable indoors, though visibility under direct sunlight may be limited. The phone includes automatic brightness adjustment and offers 3 color modes: bright, saturated, and default, with the latter dynamically adjusting gamma based on ambient lighting. Regardless of conditions, contrast remains consistent. For comfortable reading, users can enable reading mode, which automatically adjusts colors for reduced eye strain. It can be scheduled to activate at specific times, ensuring an optimal viewing experience throughout the day. Performance. The smartphone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset, a modern, energy-efficient processor. While not the most powerful, it offers reliable performance for everyday tasks. Compared to its predecessor, which used the MediaTek Helio G85, this chipset delivers similar speeds while consuming less battery. The phone comes in multiple RAM configurations: 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB, with the option to expand virtual RAM up to 16GB, using internal storage, improving multitasking capabilities. As a budget-friendly device, it isn't built for high-performance tasks, but it handles essential apps like YouTube, messaging, and social media smoothly. Games are playable, though graphics settings may need to be lowered for optimal performance. The phone runs on HyperOS, Xiaomi's refined UI based on Android 14. It's lightweight, free from unnecessary bloatware, and runs efficiently, even on the base 4GB RAM model, ensuring a smooth and stable user experience. camera. The Redmi 14C features a 50-megapixel main camera with an f1.8 aperture, capable of capturing clear and vibrant photos, but only in good lighting conditions. The built-in AI enhancement helps improve image quality, especially in low-light scenarios, though results may still be limited. The camera app includes built-in filters that can be applied to both photos and videos, allowing users to tweak color tones. However, their real-world usefulness is fairly minimal. When it comes to video recording, the phone supports Full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second, delivering decent footage for casual use. Accompanying the main camera is a 2-megapixel secondary sensor used exclusively for depth effects and portrait shots. While it helps create a blurred background, bokeh effect, its impact on overall photo quality is minor. On the front, the 13-megapixel selfie camera performs well in good lighting, making it suitable for video calls and daytime photography. However, image quality significantly deteriorates in low-light conditions, with noticeable noise and reduced sharpness. Overall, the Redmi 14C's camera setup is functional for everyday photography, but it shines best in well-lit environments. Battery. The Redmi 14C is powered by a 5,160 mAh battery, offering solid battery life. According to the manufacturer, it can last up to 21 days on standby. However, in real-world usage, including calls, social media messaging, and video streaming, the battery depletes more quickly. On average, you can expect 1.5 to 2 days of usage per charge, depending on your activity level. The device supports 18-watt fast charging, but when you look at the box, it is offered to us with a 33-watt adapter. In fact, it is stated on the official website that the charger is not included in the box in some countries. It is optimized with smart charging engine technology, which helps maintain battery health over time. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge the Redmi 14C. Conclusion. Is the Redmi 14C worth it? Once again, Xiaomi delivers a well-balanced budget smartphone. Compared to its predecessor, the Redmi 13C, this model offers subtle but meaningful improvements across the board. It features a larger display with a high refresh rate, solid battery life, decent performance for everyday tasks, and a capable camera for its class. For those seeking a reliable, feature-packed budget smartphone, the Redmi 14C offers great value for the price. So we've reached the end of another video, friends. If there's anything I missed about this phone, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to help. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.